Hello students, welcome to Smarter Everyday Overlearning. I have been explaining the topic from chemical bonding and the molecular structure from last two classes, and the topic is coordinate covalent bond and nothing but dative bond. And students, those who did not see those classes, I'll give that link in the description. You can go through that classes. Let's see the definition of coordinate covalent bond here. The dative bond: when the formation of a bond, the electron pair or lone pair is donated by one atom but shared by both the atoms, so as to complete their octet, the bond has been formed. And according to this definition, I explained the number of examples here, the combination of NH3 and BF3 molecule, and finally the molecular structure will be like this, basing upon the Lewis dot structure, and electron pairs, lone pairs and the bond pairs also basing upon its electronic configuration. Students, explained everything. And the second example is sulfur dioxide, and like next one is ammonium ion also I explained in my previous classes. Let's see now in this class, today's session, coordinate covalent bond in terms of valency bond approach, that is orbital concept. Dear students, a coordinate bond is formed by the overlapping of fully filled orbitals containing a lone pair of electrons with the empty orbital of another atom. Let's see with examples this orbital concept. That is, first one is formation of ammonium ion, that is NH4 plus ion, and the formation of H3O plus ion, that is hydronium ion also I will explain to you in this class, today's session. Let's see students, in our previous class I discussed with you that is about ammonium ion formation NH4 plus. In this, basing upon nitrogen atomic number and electronic configuration, we have that valency is 3 for nitrogen, and final structure, let's see, lone pair of electrons and bond pair of electrons for NH4 plus. And here students, this lone pair of electron is transferred to this H plus ion. Then finally what we have got here, NH4 plus ion we got here. This is about ammonium ion. Let us see this representation in the form of orbitals overlapping. In this diagram, this belongs to NH3 molecule, and here the combination of this s orbital and this p orbital takes place, and here 2 electrons are located, here 2 electrons are located, here also same, and here also same. This 2 pair of electron, that means this 1 pair of electron is known as lone pair of electrons, that is LP. That means these 2 electrons are not participating in any bond. And students, this is empty s orbital, empty s orbital of H plus ion. By overlapping of these two, here you can see 4 s orbitals are combining with these p orbitals, and this is NH4 plus ion. And students, you can see here the pair of electrons should be like this, and coordinate bond is formed here. Why? Because here lone pair of electrons, but here till this become a bond pair of electron. This is also, these 2 electrons also involved in bond formation, so here coordinate bond is formed. This is about the formation of NH4 ion in orbital concept. Here nitrogen atom in NH3, nitrogen atom in NH3 still contains one hybrid orbital containing a lone pair of electrons. This orbital containing lone pair of electrons, and this orbital overlaps with the empty orbital of S belonging to H plus ion. Then coordinate covalent bond has been formed here, just as shown in this diagram. Here we have a second example, that is formation of hydronium ion. Here H2O molecule, the oxygen atom in H2O still contain two sp3 hybrid orbitals, each containing a lone pair of electrons. Let's see how it will be. This is H2O molecule having here one electron, pair of electrons here, and here one pair of electrons. And students, these two are lone pair of electrons, and this also LP, lone pair of electrons, and these two are already overlapped with s orbital. This is s orbital, this is also s orbital, this is p orbital, already overlapped here. These two are bond pair of electrons, and this also bond pair of electrons. Here we have an s orbital, another one which belongs to H plus ion. This is, we can call it as empty s orbital of H plus ion. By overlapping these two, the coordinate bond has been formed. Let's see. Here one s orbital is going to overlapping here pair of electrons, and here again lone pair of electrons left over here. This is H3O plus ion. H3O plus ion. These two are the formations of NH4 plus ion and H3O plus ion, hydronium ion and ammonium ion formations in the concept of orbital coordinate covalent bond in terms of valency bond approach. Okay students, if you understand this class, you can share to your friends and you can subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.